I know you don't like being criticized, but do you know that criticism is your friend? Don't worry, let me tell you how. Criticism helps you to be better. If someone comes and be like, okay, you didn't do this well, what does that tell you? Do it better. It helps you to get better at doing things. It helps you to bring out the better version of yourself and be excellent in taxes. Let me give you an example. When I was younger, when I was between 12, 13, 14 years, like when I was still a teenager, I was still learning how to cook. After my mom taught me, though I started cooking as at 8 years old, but I didn't get perfect till I became a teenager. When I cook, is either the salt will be too much, or the salt will be too small, or the pepper, just so. You know that kind of food that when you eat one, you drink 1 cup of water, yes, that type. But my mom kept letting me know that this is not how it's supposed to be. I can even remember a certain time, the first time ever I cooked egusi soup. I finished cooking the food, though she was not around. I finished cooking the food and I kept looking at this food. I was like, something is missing because it's not looking exactly how my mom's own used to look now. I kept racking my brain, but I couldn't figure it out until once immediately my mom came back and I served her the food. And she just looked at it. She said, Victory, you did not put oil in this food. I said, hey, it's true, mommy, I did not put oil. So she kept on criticizing me, letting me know that the way I'm cooking this food is not how it's supposed to be. Like, of course, now you know youthful exuberance and everything. I was angry. Anytime they criticized me, I would say, I beg, I'm not doing it. Is it because I'm doing this? I beg, I'm tired. But she was telling them that, yes, so you might be cooking this nonsense that you're cooking, and I'll be eating it. But when you grow up and you get married, is this what you're going to cook for your husband, my daughter? And then, now normally I'll say, if I cook for him now, if he doesn't want to eat, let him leave it. My mother say, basically she kept on criticizing until I then decided to listen to this constructive criticism, and I became better at cooking. Fast forward to today, my brothers and sisters, I have never, and I can categorically tell you that I have never cooked nonsense for my husband. You can ask him. Yes, you have his phone number. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is that if I had not listened to her criticism when I was very young, today, and I forget say, God forbid, and I know go hear him. But anyways, is it that my husband will not eat my food? He will be eating outside, and before you know, one woman will come and snatch him away from me. God forbid. So my sisters and my brothers, please listen to constructive criticism. Use it to get better. Use it. Don't take it the wrong way. When you're being criticized at your place of work, at the school, you're at home, even when your boyfriend or your girlfriend is trying to let you know that this thing you did is not good. Don't say, am I not, like, don't turn it around that maybe he or she doesn't love you or something. He or she is trying to correct you to make you a better version of yourself. Anyways, thank you for watching. And if you know you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because very soon I'm going to be locking this. I'll be locking the door. It's only people that subscribe that will be watching my videos. So subscribe. You know I'm just kidding though. So subscribe to my channel, and please share this to every single one you know that needs to hear this, because we want the world to be a better place. We want everybody to succeed. We want everybody to be happy. We want everybody to have a balanced life. So I'm always your girl, Victory Tama, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye.